All right, welcome to DragonWorks. Got something a little unique here for you. 2005 Triumph Rocket 3. And yes, size does matter. 2300 cc inline 3-cylinder. Kind of looks like a Honda Civic motor, don't it? But this is way bigger than a Honda Civic motor. This is a 2.3 liter. Anyway, customer needs some things done here. It's got several issues need to be worked out. Number one, the radiator's leaking, and they're going to do a thermostat. There's some other things going on with it, but that's our first objective. Let's see here. Let's see what she does on a cold start. You guys ready? Okay, not too bad, not too bad. I bet that wasn't what you were expecting, was it? This motorcycle allegedly has about 175,000 miles on it. I think that they told me this has been broke for a while, or this is the replacement, not sure. But I know their previous owner told this owner that it had 160,000 on it when the odometer broke. And like I say, they think there's another 15, 10, 15. So it's about 170, 175,000 miles on this thing. And the guy rode it from Miami up to Maryland for the customer with no issues. Of course, as soon as he left, they start discovering all the issues that were going on with it. So I'm here to help rectify the situation. And yeah, lordy, what did I get myself into? Stay tuned.